In this video, we'll be creating this auto text writer using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Get ready for it and let's dive into the code. Hello friends, this is Codecraft. We can coding fastly and efficiently. I have created HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file. I have linked all these in my HTML file. Now the first thing here, I will create a div, and the class name will be its container. That's all in the HTML. Now I'll go to my CSS, and the first thing I'll style for the body, and the first background color will be RGB, and first will be 0, 102 and 102. That's all. Next I'll select the container, and first height 500 pixel, and also the display grade, and place item center, and the next font family will be this, and font size I think it will be 26, and the color white. That's all. Now going to CSS, and I have to link the CSS first here, and here I will link the CSS, sorry, JavaScript, not CSS. Script src script.js, that's all. And the first I will start my live server and I'll show you the preview of this website, and that's all. That's good. Now I'll go to my VS Code again, and in the script.js, the first here I will create a variable. It will be my text. It will be equal to welcome to the Codecraft. I am a developer. Next variable will be div wrapper equal to, and this will be document.get element by class name, and the class name is container, and this will be the first child. And the next, let create a variable index will be equal to 0, and now I will create a function write text equal to, and inside this I will say div wrapper dot inner HTML. It will be inner text equal to my text dot slice, and slice this from 0 index, and also say index plus plus. And the next I'll say I will put a condition if index greater than my text dot length, and here I'll say index will be equal to 0. And now I will call the function in the set interval, and the first will be function name and the second will be interval. I will say, and for the interval here it will be 100. That's good. Now I go to my browser again. So here you can see welcome to the Codecraft. I'm a developer, and you can also put more text you want. Well, that's how you can create a auto text writer using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I hope you will have enjoyed this project, and if you like the video, press the like button, also press the subscribe button, and you can check out my channel. I have a bunch of projects like this. Thanks for watching the video.